flow control in noiseless channel. So let us first assume we have an ideal channel in which no frames are lost, duplicated or getting corrupted. We introduce two protocols for this type of channel. One is the simplest protocol, another one is the stop and wait protocol. Let us discuss these two protocols in this video. So the design of the simplest protocol with no flow or error control. So data will be coming from the network layer to the data link layer, then to the physical layer, and from here the data will be sent. So in the earlier discussions we have discussed that data link layer is having mainly two purposes dedicated. One is the flow control, another one is the error control. But here we don't require any error control because we are taking this transmission medium as noiseless. There will be no error, there will be no loss of frames, there will be no duplication of the frames. So now here we are having this frames are moving, and at the receiving end we are having this physical layer, data link layer, and then higher layers, network layer and higher layers will be getting the respective frame. So request from the network layer, it will be coming here, event will occur. So then the data link layer repeat forever. So algorithm for the sender side, and here this physical layer will give the respective event notification here. So algorithm for the receiver side repeat forever, and then it will move to the upper layers. So here we are considering the respective algorithm. So sender side algorithm for the simplest protocol, very simple, just see. While true, that means it is an infinite loop. It will be going for the infinite time. Wait for event. So sender is waiting for the event. So event will be coming from which layer? From the network layer. Data link layer is waiting for the event. So event will be coming from the network layer. You can find this one, event will be coming from the network layer to the next layer. So wait for event. So repeat forever. So it denotes a sleep until an event occurs. If event request to send, if that event has occurred, request to send, that is a packet to send. So get data. So data will be obtained from the network layer. Make a frame out of that data obtained and send frame. So send the frame. So that is the respective algorithm from this for the sender side algorithm in the simplest method. Now let us discuss the receiver side algorithm. So in the case of receiver side algorithm for the simplest protocol, while true, again we are going for repeat forever. Wait for the event. So event will be coming from the lower level to the data link layer. So if event arrival notification has come, so that is a data frame arrived, then receive frame, extract data, deliver data to the network layer. So that is the purpose of the data link layer. So this algorithm will be executing at the receiver's data link layer. Now the sender sends a sequence of frames without even thinking about the receiver. To send 3 frames, 3 events occur at the sender side and 3 events at the receiver side. So note that the data frames are shown by title boxes, so tilted boxes rather. The height of the box defines the transmission time difference between the first bit and the last bit in the frame. So here you see the first bit is being sent, so that is the request is coming. So this first bit is getting received by this receiver, so that is a delay we are observing, and that is also another delay we are observing here. So we are having this respective frame is there which is being received at the receiver. So one event, another event, and also 3 times event at the receiver's end. So in total we are having to send 3 frames, we are having 3 events from the sender side and 3 events from the receiver side, that is arrival in events. Here we are having the request events, so 6 events are taking place in total. Now designed to stop and wait protocol. So network layer, get data, data link layer, send frame. So frame is going to get transmitted, receive, data link layer, deliver data, acknowledgement will be coming, and when the acknowledgement will come, then the next frame will be sent. So stop and wait for the acknowledgement. So send data, send the frame, stop, wait for the acknowledgement, stop and wait protocol. So this is our network layer from where the event will be occurring. So repeat forever. So algorithm for the sender side. So here at the receiving end, notification from the physical layer will be obtained, an algorithm for the receiver side in the data link layer, and repeat forever. So that is the process in which it is taking place. Let us go for the sender side algorithm for stop and wait protocol. This is a sender side algorithm. So while true, can send true, there is a allow the first frame to go, wait for event, sleep until an event occurs. If event, request to send, so if the event is request to send, which is coming from the network layer, and can send we have made that one true, it is a Boolean variable. So if it is true and this is true, then only the control will come within this while block. So get data, make frame, send frame, and can send is equal to false. So now at the sender side, the can send has been made false. So next frame it cannot send in that case. Wait for the event. So wait for the event means this particular function. So sleep until an event occurs. If event, that is the arrival, not arrival notification, we are having this arrival notification. So that means the message has been received and then acknowledgement has come to the sender. So an acknowledgement has arrived, then receive frame and can send is equal to true again. So receive the acknowledgement frame and can send was made false here. So now it has made true. So next time it can, another time it can go and you can wait for the event and the process will be repeated. I think you are getting me. So in this way, this while block is working. You see, this is the closing bracket of this respective while block. This is a closing bracket here. Now we are going for the receiver side algorithm for the stop and wait protocol. So while true, wait for the event, that is the sleep until an event occurs. So who will be generating the event? There is a lower layer, physical layer to the data link layer, the event will be occurring. If event is equal to arrival notification, data frame arrives, receive the frame, extract the data, deliver the data to the upper layer, that is the network layer, and send frame. So send an acknowledgement frame to the sender from the receiver. So in this way, in our slides we have discussed that is the sender side algorithm for stop and wait protocol and receiver side algorithm for stop and wait protocol. You can pause our video, we can write these algorithms, read them, they are very simple. If you know the logic that what is happening actually, you can easily remember these algorithms and you can produce it in your exam copy also. Thanks for watching this video.
Tutorialspoint.com. Simply easy learning.